you. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So I'm so glad you're here today. Today's video, I'm just going to be showing you this cute little eyeshadow look that I came up with. And yeah. So I wanted to do something more on the teal side. I am going to be filming a haul video. So I wanted something cute, something glamorous, and I figured like, let's record it because you guys are a part of the family and you share with your family. So I'm going to be sharing this time with you. So we're just going to sit down and be creative today because I feel like I've been needing that. So now I'm going to start off just by using a little of this teal shadow on like a dome shaped brush, and I'm just packing that in, kind of making a half a circle, like, you know, just putting that color as a transitional color in between that deeper brown that I originally used. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to prep my lids for my eyeshadow. So initially with this look, I was going to do a halo eye, so that's why you see me just focusing the concealer in the middle and trying to, you know, make sure that they were as even as they could be. So I'm going back and forth doing that, but you will see I decided against that. Like, I just decided to take the color in a little further. And I decided that instead of doing a halo eye, I would just go ahead and, you know, make the color a little bit more vibrant and come closer toward, you know, my inner corner. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just again, still using a flat concealer brush to pack the color on, and then pack the concealer on. Now I'm using a smaller flat concealer brush to pack the color on. So it's this beautiful teal color, and I use the Lisa Frank and Morphe collaboration palette. So that's what you see me doing here. And as you can see, I'm patting the color on my lid. So I'm not swiping, I'm patting it down just to make sure that I'm getting the color payoff that I want, and just continuing to do that. So I'm just building up the intensity of the color. I did the other eye off camera, but now I'm going in with that dome brush again, but this time I'm using a black shadow and I'm building the color up once again. So I'm just lightly tapping it on there. I'm not trying to go in with too much color at once. I want to build up the color because, like I always say, it's easier to take the color, it's easier to add more color than to take it away. So I say that about my eyeliner as well as eyeshadow, especially when you're using black. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush just to kind of blend so that it's not really harsh lines on the end, but I'm also dragging a little bit of that black a little further up while also blending. So as you can see, it's looking a little muddy, but we're going to fix that, and I'm going to show you how. So now I'm going in again with that teal color, and I'm just kind of blending the black and that teal color together, just so that it's not a harsh line in between the two. Then I'm going in with a black shadow, and I'm adding more shadow, more color there. Now I'm using a smaller brush, and I'm just blending that black shadow out a little bit. And then I decided I kind of wanted like a wing effect, so I'm using the brush to add in some more black shadow and accomplish that. So after that, I'm just again making sure that the colors mesh together and they blend together really nicely and seamlessly. Now I'm going in with my liner, and I'm gonna line right up against my lash line, but I'm not going for a thick line because, again, I want the color to be the star of the show. I want the color to really be the focus for this look. So that's what you see me doing right here. And then, you know, we have to add lashes. Lashes are so important to your look. So here I am, I'm just adding some lashes and, you know, making them look really nice and just including them in this look. And I do have a video all about lashes. So if you haven't seen that, I will link that for you. And then I'm adding some blush. I really enjoy this blush by Juvia's Place. It's their Volume 4 palette. I really love that baby pink color. Initially, I thought, I don't know how this will work on me, but I absolutely love it. I picked it up for my birthday, and like I always find a way to incorporate it in my look in one form or another. So then I'm going to use this brown liner by Juvia's Place again, and that's in the shade Coffee Bean. Then I went in with kind of like this peaches shade, but then I went in with a pink on top. So a lot of the times I like to mix colors and combos just to see what I like best. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going in with a little bit of gloss, and I'm tapping it on the middle before going around my perimeter of my lip, just to ensure that the colors don't all just blend together and you won't see the difference. So got a little bit of lipstick on my teeth, and I'm clearing that off and just making sure that my liner is the way I like it. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!